15 Health Tips to Live a Long and Healthy Life. This article will teach you the best of the best health tips to help you live a long and healthy life. We have done all the legwork so you don't have to. Here are the 15 top health tips to help you live longer. The 15 top health tips to help you live a long and healthy life. Give yourself a kick in the pants. Increase your intake of fruits and vegetables and make a change to your daily diet. Avoid processed foods and replace them with raw foods and organic food, especially if you are an avid smoker. Take advantage of natural supplements that can help improve your health and boost your immune system. The benefits include increased energy, better sleep, better mood, and less risk of diseases such as cancer. Exercise regularly. When you exercise, you increase your blood circulation, which helps you fight disease. Reduce your stress. If you feel overwhelmed or anxious, try to relax first by doing a few deep breathing exercises. You can also take up a hobby or recreational activity that will distract you from the stressful aspects of everyday life. Stress management. Find out what stressors cause you stress, work on getting rid of these stressful factors. Avoiding things like alcohol and drugs, as these addictions will also help in your fight against stress. Get a good night's sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night is important because it gives you the rest and energy you need to face the day ahead. You can make this easier by following a few simple tips, such as using aromatherapy, avoiding caffeine and smoking, eating small frequent meals, getting plenty of exercise, and drinking plenty of water. Stop the bad habit of smoking. Nicotine is a highly addictive drug that has many negative side effects. Excess nicotine can slow down your immune system and cause cravings that will keep you coming back to smoke. Having a healthy lifestyle is one of the best ways to promote good health. The top health tips to live a long and healthy life includes being active and having an active life. Eat healthy foods and start eating more fruit and vegetables. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain essential nutrients and antioxidants that fight against free radicals in your body. These free radicals cause premature aging, heart disease, high cholesterol, and many other serious diseases. Participate in physical activities. Regular physical activity helps keep your body strong and fit. It reduces stress and improves blood flow. Include some fruits and vegetables in your diet. Consume a variety of fruits and vegetables in your daily meal. Some are delicious, but are lacking in nutrition. Drink plenty of water. Water helps flush toxins from your body and helps keep your skin hydrated. It also helps flush toxins and poisons from your colon, liver, and kidneys. Eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. Consume foods that are rich in calcium, fiber, and vitamins such as apples, broccoli, carrots, melon, avocados, peas, and others. Drink lots of green tea and other green drinks. They are rich in antioxidants and are also a natural diuretic. Green tea contains substances called EGCG, epigallocatechin galates, that can help reduce high blood pressure. It also has caffeine that can reduce your appetite. Exercise. When you work out, you increase blood circulation. Your heart pumps more blood and oxygen to your muscles, allowing you to burn calories faster. Avoid alcohol. It can decrease your ability to heal and help you maintain low blood pressure and high cholesterol. By following these health tips, you can help improve your overall health. By making sure that you get enough sleep, avoiding stress, and taking regular exercise, getting enough fluids and fruits and vegetables, having plenty of fruits and vegetables, and drinking green tea and other green drinks, getting enough sleep and exercising daily.